Now since this shape is still a cube with harsh corners, it's gonna warp like crazy. There's no way around that. Especially the side that had the walls on it, that was gonna be subject to like all of the forces as the print gets taller and more layers are stacked on top. Also the upper layers were gonna be subject to a lot of wobbling. Even if it's not on a bed slinger, there's just gonna be wobbling artifacts no matter what, because it's a tall, skinny model. Now with that settled, which printer should I start with? Somebody commented on my Cobra 3 Max video telling me they wanted to see me max out the build height.